Hey there everyone, welcome back to our driving series. Today we're going to talk about Lakeside Village Junction, White Rose Way with Wilmington Drive. So let's dive right in. When you're approaching the junction, keep an eye on the right side of the road. You'll see a green panel that indicates the line discipline. Now, on this panel, you'll notice that for a straight-ahead direction, you'll need to use the new left lane that's being created soon by using the MSM routine. It's crucial to move into the left lane as soon as it appears, because if you don't, the car behind you will fill the lane, and you won't be able to do it. And that's it for today's driving lesson on a busy road. Remember, always drive carefully and stay safe on the roads. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.